दोस्तों, सलाम मसनून। किसानों का मसला एक गंभीर मसला अब तक हल नहीं हुआ है, देर हो रही है। किसान भी ये तहिया कर बैठे हैं कि जब तक ये तीनों नए क़वानीन वापस नहीं लिए जाते, उनका धरना जारी रहेगा, वो एजिटेट करते रहेंगे। इस सिलसिले में इंडियन एग्रीकल्चर मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र सिंह तोमर का एक बयान आया है। जुमे के दिन उन्होंने ट्विटर पर कुछ लिखा, वो आज की अखबारों में शाया हुआ है। वो कहते हैं, कानून को वापस लेने की कोई बात नहीं है, और हाँ, प्रोविजंस ऑफ लेजिस्लेशन के सिलसिले में किसानों के यूनियंस बात करना चाहते हैं तो उनके दरवाजे उसके लिए खुले हैं। यह बयान है, ऐसा लगता है कि बयान सख्त ही है। अखबार में जो खबर शाये हुई है उसे मैं आपकी जानकारी के लिए अंग्रेज़ी में ही पढ़ देता हूँ। इंडियन एग्रीकल्चर मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र सिंह तोमर on Friday ruled out repealing the 3 new farm laws, but said the government is ready to resume talks with protesting farmers on provisions of the legislature. Government of India is ready for talks with farmers, except for repeal. If any farmers union wants to talk on provisions of the Act, even at midnight, Narendra Singh Tomar will welcome it. It is reported in Deccan Chronicle. The Agriculture Minister said in a video posted on his Twitter account. It's not known what will be reaction of the farmer unions in the days to come. One wishes that this important matter should be settled as early as possible. Another news from Assam. This is about politics. The Congress has 29 MLAs in the State Assembly of Assam. Kurmi, a 4-time Congress MLA, on Friday resigned and declared he would join BJP on Monday. The Congress has announced his expulsion. Politics is dirty. Kurmi called it a difficult decision as he was born into a Congress family and his mother was a state minister. I used to put up posters. I served tea in meetings. I grew in the Congress culture, so it is difficult for me, he says. He has said, but he has decided to join the BJP. What for? We cannot say anything about it, but we feel that in politics, particularly in North India, so many things are happening. Aya Ram and Gaya Ram culture. Let God save our country from such people who want to take benefit without realizing the ideology. If one really interested in a party because of its ideology, of course it is all right, perfectly all right, in accordance with the constitution of our country. But what about those people who change parties for the sake of self-interest, for the sake of money and power, for the sake of making things easy for them in a very walk of life. This is unwanted. And I feel that even there are good people in North India, they will not welcome people who change parties for the sake of self-interest. We are passing through a difficult time because of coronavirus. Of course, COVID-19 is on the decrease, and both the central and the state governments are doing their best to free our country from this dreaded disease. In spite of that, there are politicians who give importance to unwanted things. They want to change party without any hesitation, without any fear of the people being blamed. It seems for them power is everything, money is everything. This tendency should go. May Allah save our country. May God give right guidance to the people who do not give importance to the interests of the people. Thank you for your listening.